Hi, welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 420i M Sport Convertible on a 2017 plate. The vehicle is presented in the fantastic Melbourne red and of course also features a full Your Next Car M Performance body styling kit. The alloys are the 19-inch 442M BMW alloys that we've had professionally refurbished in gloss black. You'll see just behind there the BMW M Sport Plus brakes, and on this wonderful convertible that does mean we have got the full M Sport Plus package. Down the side of the car, as well as being able to see it's in superb condition throughout, you can see the gloss black air breathers, our gloss black sidebars and satin side vinyls, and we've also had the mirror caps fully refurbished in the gloss black also. The vehicle also has a very nice option in the form of the comfort access, so I can walk up to the car with the key in my pocket, simply place my hand on the door handle, it'll unlock for me, which is a really useful and convenient option. Full black Dakota leather. Front passengers and drivers can enjoy the comfort of the air collar, heated seats and of course electric movement and memory. We've also got the fantastic Harman Kardon surround sound alongside an 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. Rear passengers, there you can see we've got nice fixed 2x2 seat arrangement, central folding armrest, and again that is a very clean and tidy example within the interior. Before heading round to the very rear, I want to show you off again just how well the gloss black alloys work with that Melbourne red. And at the back we've opted to go for a high gloss rear spoiler and the matching rear diffuser. And on this wonderful convertible we've also got a rear facing reversing camera, which we're going to demonstrate for you shortly. Of course, all convertibles, controversially, can sometimes suffer a small boot. It's not the case on the 4 Series because we can simply lift all of the metal folded roof out of the storage tray. And once that is done so, you do have a very usable boot, which we're going to show you shortly. So that'll lift itself nice and easily out of there. Lift the storage tray open, and there you can see that is a very good size boot, making this a convertible you could certainly use every day should you choose to. Once that's all folded nice and neatly away, we're going to hop around to the driver's side and of course to show you a couple more of this vehicle's wonderful features before heading on inside. Around onto the driver's side, again you can see not only how well the Melbourne red works, it is exactly clean and tidy as I've mentioned. And we're going to go on board now, begin with starting the car and of course getting that metal roof folded away, so you can see it towards the end of the video how well it looks with the roof closed. With the car started, to activate the roof, it's a really easy and simple thing to do. Push this button forward, and whilst that carries on, I can show you around a couple more of the car's features, beginning with the professional wide navigation and media screen. Currently on screen is the multimedia list, and I'm going to show you around a couple more of those functions shortly. I did of course mention the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. It's also got cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume controls. It's covered just over 18,000 miles, as you can see, so a nice low mileage example once again. In terms of the sat nav, again having that a much larger screen will help massively. It also utilises real-time traffic updates to ensure you're on the fastest route possible. As I did mention, we have got a rear facing reversing camera on this car, so again that's going to make life that little bit easier, along with the front and rear parking sensors. Going through now into the connectivity side of things, so we've got Bluetooth audio and telephone. We've also got DAB along with a wide array of other options, including music collection, AUX, USB, and of course we've already shown you the Bluetooth capabilities. Down here, dual climate control, along where you'll find the switches for these heated seats. And if we head on over quickly to take a look at the car's service recommendations and service history. Service requirements, you'll see everything is highlighted in green, and the next service for the vehicle is not due for 8,000 miles time. And up at service history, we've got full BMW service history up till the second service, as you can see, because that's the only amount of services it's had to have, as it is a very low mileage car. So thank you once again for taking the time to watch one of our walk around videos. I'm hoping you've enjoyed it and found it useful. If you would like some more information on the car, you can of course check out the links down below, and that will take you through to our website, or of course you can get in direct contact with ourselves. Once again, you'll find all of that information down below. Thank you very much. Do of course take care, and we shall hopefully see yourself soon. Take care. Bye bye.